Hello everyone, today I would like to show you another example from my list of favorite places. The location that I'm interested in is not in the main plot, so to say. Instead, it can be found in a copy of the mandelbrot set. So let's zoom in. Okay, we come closer and closer. Yes, here we are. So I will set the magnification to 1.5, and this is the structure I'm interested in. So I will adjust the maximum number of iterations. Then I will change the exponent of the power norm. I think 3.5 is quite good. Also, there we have the reset marker. I clear it. And now I think I would like to choose another color map. Yes, this looks nice already, but maybe we find something better. Maybe jet. Okay, jet looks also very interesting. Let's rotate the color map, whether we find something nicer. For me this looks quite good already. Let's try reversed. It's also interesting. So, but I stay with the original color map. Then I try to change the window limits, to enhance the contrast and to control the colors. Lower limit. And the upper limit. Yes. Now you should try the shader. Maybe add some depth. But this doesn't really look good. I think I will remove it. How about smoothing? So it doesn't do anything. Okay, so this is the first place I wanted to show you. I called this place ArialFlake because somehow the structure reminded me of a flake, and there are no real broad, thick structures found in this object, so I choose the name ArialFlake. And then I'd like to show you some details. So the first detail can be found here. Okay, let's zoom in, maybe increase the magnification factor. Okay, I will remove the reset marker and zoom in once more. Now careful, once more, okay. Now the structure has the right size. I will increase the iteration limit, 2000, 4000, I think even 8000. Oh yeah, this looks good, really looks good. Let's change the window limits, see what we can do. Maybe we zoom in a little bit further, because here this outer structure is, I find it very interesting. Okay, then we try this. Okay, this looks good already. Now maybe again try shading. No. And then maybe reverse the color map. This is also interesting. Rotate the color map a little bit. Yes. It's cool. But I will take the original again. Okay. So this is my second example. Since it's part of the ArialFlake, I called it det1 for detail 1. Then we go back to the ArialFlake, and select the second example. It can be found here. Okay. Increase the zoom level, make it faster. Okay. Yes. Okay. Zoom out one step. 1.5. Clear the marker. And here I find this connection, this part, somehow nice. Let's zoom in further and maybe try to change the iteration limit. Select a different exponent. No, maybe 1000 was better. Let's try this. Or rotate the color map. Ah yeah, here we go. Okay, let's zoom in and try to change the window. How is it reversed? Okay, this is also good. Yes. So this is what I like. This is what I wanted to show you today. I will upload the ArialFlake PNG files to the GitHub from where you could download it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you for watching.